Hello, Bubba Alice back. I'm going to show you a video of my my car I can drive around, remote control car. Go around my house. So, let me get go. I crashed. You can see, like, I got some Lego. I got a red miking case. I got a bunch of stuff. I got these things called pepperoni, but you can't see. I got a bunch of books you can see. But that's the video. Sometimes I look like you're driving in the car, so. Crashed into my garbage can apparently. My mom's putting the house and she needs to throw that garbage can out. Every garbage that's in. And for well, never mind, you don't need to know. But there's something about, if you guys know about Harry Fan 779, and he's in my class, the two people that do are in my class. You want to know what about them? They might just watch a video and just see something about them that you might not like. Might not happen. But if you don't see anything, you don't see anything different, but there's none of his videos left, and all his videos are deleted. There's only one video that he has, just so you know. See my brother on the computer when I got in this room. And I think that's my brother. Wait, and back up. That's the brother on the computer. Watching this guy on YouTube. I'm doing a YouTube video right now, but crashing. I just got to kick it to get a great spot. Wait, I'm going to give this its turbo boost. I'm going to make it go sideways. Okay, so, wait. The back wheels are going, it'll stand on back wheels, a wheelie. That's what I'm going to say. I'm going to go around back to my room and my video will be done. And I want to show you guys something really cool about this that I can do. I'm not going to show you, I'm going to tell you something. If you ever get one, you can tape your iPod to it or a camera. iPod's much better. And then you can do a video like I'm doing right now. So just in case you want to know how I did this, make that. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.